What's going on? It's your boy Goldie back at it again with another video. We just jumping into it today. All right, so I was at the auction. I picked up 2 cars. I'm actually on my way to go pick them up right now. So I'll cut y'all back on once I get to the location. All right, y'all, so here at the auction. And so plus $140 that you gotta pay, or $70 each car that you gotta pay when you get here. That's how much I'm into both vehicles. So that's that. So now I'm just picking them up and I'm gonna get them to the house and we'll figure out what needs to be done. I'll cut y'all back on once we get there. All right. Oh, got one pulled out. And I'm gonna go turn back on once I get the other one out here. All right, so just took the Solara on a little test drive. Came with 3 keys, 2 key fobs. Yeah. 2 on the car. So I'll cut y'all back on once we get on the freeway for either one of them, but I'm gonna cut y'all back on once the other car comes out too. And I think that's it. Yep, there we go, that is it. Paint's a little more messed up, but hey, what can you do? Alright, so it's not as clean as the pictures make it look. I'll post the pictures right here, but hey, runs, it's a 1 owner, so I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, let me get to the house. There goes the Solara, and I'll be back for that. But as of right now, I'm pushing this. All right, so here we are on the highway, doing a cool 70. No shakes, bro. What are you doing? No shake, man. Somebody almost hit me. No shakes, no vibrations. We're good. A little bit over 80, or a little bit close to 80. But solid. Let me pay attention because these stupid here don't know how to drive, so I don't want to get hit. All right, y'all, so I'm here back at the auction picking up the Solara. I just cleared the codes because I'm gonna drive it and see what codes actually come back on and then go from there when starting to try to fix it, because one of the codes that came up was for like evap. So that could have been as small as like the gas cap being loose. So like I said, I cleared it and I'm gonna see what comes back on, if anything, and then I'll go from there. But I'm gonna get back to the house and I'll catch y'all back on once I get there. All right, so it runs and drives damn good. On the freeway, no problem. No problem, drive smooth. All right, y'all, so before I made it home, I plugged up the scanner again to make sure, or to check if the monitors were ready, and they're ready. I'm here at my usual smog spot, waiting for him to finish up this car that's in front of me, and then he'll get on mine. But it's ready, so no check engine light. Don't see why it wouldn't pass. So I'll catch y'all back on in a second. Pass smog. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So pass smog. Now finna get it cleaned up so that way I can get my pictures and get it posted online. Moving fast. That's what happens when you get a good buy. I mean, you can move fast like this. So. Yeah. Sadly, the TSX, it made it home, but as soon as I got home, I went to put it in park and then try to move it again. It did not want to move no more. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. They can't all be winners. I'm not expecting them to be. So if you do want to start getting into flipping cars, just know that it's always a risk when it comes to these cars. You know, it's nothing's for sure. But I'm gonna stop talking and get this Solara cleaned up, and I'll cut y'all back on once I get back to the house. All right, y'all. So I just finished washing the car, and I'm here at my location where I'm finna get the pictures, and then get back home so I can get it posted online. All right, so here's the, here's the car. I didn't do a detail on it. Just gave it a quick little whole bath, like, normal. But the cars that deserve details, they get them. But came out pretty decent. So let me get my pictures and I'll see y'all in a second. You know what I just thought about? Shit. I had never tried to open the sunroof or the top. So we're gonna see right now. Right. Oh. And here we go. Looks good with the top down. Let me get some pictures with it down, and then I'll get back with y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So it sold really fast. We got a happy customer, as usual. Keep going. You good? I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
My nice brand new car. I rolled out the price right, babe.
Cut it all the way. Keep going. You good? You clear? No worries. Enjoy your new car. All right, y'all. So just like that, it sold. She said she was gonna name the car Sexy Red. So that name actually fit. Definitely fits the car because it's a clean little car. It's gonna do her, gonna keep her safe, and it's gonna be a reliable transportation for her. So I'm happy. She's happy. Let's keep it going. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. Leave a comment and share with your friends. Till next time, we out. Be easy.